Year 8 Pi question 22. Idris walked 10 kilometers from his home to a circus. Here is a travel graph for his journey to the circus. So we've got time along the x-axis and we've got distance from home on the y-axis. What time did Idris leave home? Now, when Idris left home, it's there when he left home. That's where the graph starts. Now noon is 12 o'clock. Then we get 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. So halfway between 12 o'clock and 2 o'clock is 1 o'clock or 1 p.m. So part A should be 1 p.m. Part B. How far from his home was Idris when he stopped for a rest? So this bit, Idris is moving. Now when we get a horizontal line, that means he's stopped for a rest. The distance hasn't increased. So at this point here, he stopped for a rest. He stopped for a rest at 2 p.m. Oh, the question doesn't ask for time though. It says how far from home was he. So how far from home he was, if I go across that way, I'm thinking that my line's not perfectly straight there. Get that and let's draw it properly. So yeah, it's about between 4 and 5, so it's going to be 6 kilometers from home. Part C. Idris left the circus at 6 p.m. How long did he stay at the circus? So the circus is 10 kilometers from home. So 10 kilometers, this is where the circus is. So he got to the circus at 4 p.m. He stayed till 6 p.m. So he went from 4 o'clock to 6 o'clock he stayed. So he stayed there for 2 hours. Part D. Idris walked back home at 5 kilometers per hour. Complete the travel graph to show his journey back home. Now, the total distance is 10 kilometers. If he does 5 kilometers in 1 hour, he will do 10 kilometers in 2 hours. So from 6 o'clock, 2 hours, 8 o'clock, that's his journey home. So that's it, the travel graph is completed.